doesn't stall and die. This can't last because this is going to kill a cylinder, but for right now.
Yeah, for right now it's real nice.
I ain't got to do all that now.
No, you gotta take it easy now.
Yeah. Yeah, baby. I appreciate your help with this, by the way.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. I feel real good about the ride tomorrow.
Oh, this is gonna be so nice. Your bike won't have to like starve or be too rich. Give me a nice smooth ride with 4 cylinders.
I had to do it to you.
I know.
So good.
It's probably the only like tunnel that we have.
Do you know the difference between getting peed on and peeing on somebody else?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, I do. I know the difference.
Intimately. Do you have first-hand knowledge?
Yes, I do. I'm not proud of it. I'm not happy about it. It only happened one time that I got peed on. It only happened once.
Did you like it?
No, I don't know. I never liked it.
God damn it.
What?
My bike just did it.
Did what?
I lost a cylinder on takeoff.
No.
That didn't take long at all.
I wonder why it does that.
I think it arced on the 3rd cylinder.
On the same one, huh?
Yeah. Either the 3rd or the 1st.
But why? Why does it do that?
It's grounding out to the block because it's getting too much power. Why would it ground to the block?
Only if there's an exposed wire of some sort.
Well, the coils have been replaced twice, so...
Yeah.
Go ahead.
This night ride, if you don't know, if you're not aware, but this night ride is specifically for Sparky's R1. So if you've seen the previous videos, you would know that we've had issues with it not starting, not running properly, and it would bog, and it would die, and idle, it would terribly. So today, we just replaced all the coils after he ordered them. We were thinking about gapping the spark plugs, but we didn't because they were gapped properly already.
Well, that's not true. I checked one of them, and they were gapped correctly, and I got them all out of the same box, so logic stands that they're fine.
Yeah, logic stands. If they're all, yeah, it should be okay. Yeah, so this is just a small little test ride and see how it's performing, and so far it was doing good up until like 10 seconds ago.
Yeah.
That Sparky reports that it started doing the same thing. He feels like he lost a cylinder, and it's starting to idle rough again. So previously he was running on 2 cylinders, whereas now he's running on 3.
I was running on all 4 just a second ago.
Oh, yeah, which it sounded amazing because he was doing his job.
Yeah, it was great. But you know, we're working on it, we're making forward progress, we're looking real good in these fuzzies, and we're having a good time, so that's all that matters.
I'm a little jealous that they can see you with your fuzzy, but they can't see me and mine.
I know.
It's a little upsetting. I'm not okay with it.
I feel great about it.
Oh, he's gonna do it. I know he's gonna do it. I tried. I was on your tail for a hot minute, and then I know I got like 4th or 5th. I lost it.